Amazon's RTX 5080 brick delivery saga has finally come to a close, and a bizarre story that started as one of the most unusual cases of online shopping nightmares has now ended on a positive note, leaving gamers, tech enthusiasts, and the entire PC master race subreddit both relieved and fascinated. Because earlier this month, Reddit user u/glasshistorical5503 went viral after sharing their shocking experience of ordering a brand new PNY GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card from Amazon's official store for around $1,000, only to discover, upon unboxing, that instead of one of the most powerful GPUs on the planet, they have been sent nothing more than a neatly wrapped brick hidden inside an anti-static bag, a discovery that spread across tech communities and media outlets like wildfire, with many immediately questioning Amazon's delivery process and fraud prevention systems. And while this nightmare order might have spelled disaster for the unlucky buyer, it ultimately ended well after. Amazon stepped in to issue a full refund, essentially unbricking the situation after its due diligence, though the process wasn't without its stress points, since a customer's follow-up post detailed how Amazon's investigation involved multiple calls, requests for proof, and plenty of patience before the e-commerce giant finally processed a refund and reclaimed the fake GPU from the buyer, sparking widespread debate about how such a failure could even occur in Amazon's massive logistics operation, with theories ranging from fraud and fulfillment by Amazon system, where returned items can be restocked and reshipped without thorough inspection, to outright scams where individuals purchase expensive hardware, swap out the real product for a fake of similar weight, and then return the box with a counterfeit inside. And unfortunately, as shocking as this story sounds, it is not an isolated incident, because over the years there have been numerous reports of customers receiving everything from bags of pasta to random metal blocks instead of high-value GPUs. But in this case, the fraudster's brick was close enough in weight to the real RTX 5080 that Amazon's automated checks didn't flag it, letting it slip through unnoticed. And while the customer ultimately got their money back and later purchased a replacement GPU from Best Buy, this incident serves as a cautionary tale for gamers and PC builders everywhere, because when it comes to buying expensive tech gear, even from giant trusted platforms like Amazon, there's always a risk, which is why community members and tech experts recommend best practices like always buying items marked sold and shipped by Amazon to minimize third-party risks, recording your unboxing process to have indisputable proof if something goes wrong, and verifying GPU serial numbers against official vendor databases to ensure authenticity and avoid tampering. And although this story ended happily for one lucky Redditor, it highlights a systemic issue with logistics and returns that companies like Amazon will need to address more aggressively as graphics cards continue to rise in both demand and value, because the RTX 5080, as part of Nvidia's latest lineup, is one of the most sought-after GPUs for gamers, content creators, and AI enthusiasts alike, commanding premium prices and often selling out within minutes of restock, which makes it a prime target for scammers looking to exploit loopholes in distribution. But while fraudsters may continue trying, the hope is that increased scrutiny and more thorough product inspections will prevent these kinds of brick swaps from happening again, because trust is a key part of e-commerce, and every viral story of fraud undermines consumer confidence, making people more hesitant to purchase expensive hardware online. And yet, this saga also shows Amazon's willingness to make things right, even if the road to a refund wasn't smooth, because at the end of the day, the customer was not left to bear the brunt of financial blow they didn't deserve. And that makes this story a rare online shopping nightmare with a happy ending, though it leaves us with an important reminder to always be vigilant, take precautions, and protect ourselves when ordering pricey tech. So the next time you hit that buy now button on a $1,000 GPU, remember the tale of the Redditor who got a brick instead of an RTX 5080, and take those extra steps to ensure it doesn't happen to you. Because as the PC Master Race subreddit showed with their massive support and coverage, the gaming community always pays attention when scams like this surface, and stories like these serve as valuable lessons for us all. And with that, the RTX 5080 brick delivery saga is officially closed, ending not in frustration, but in relief, and we'll keep bringing you more wild, weird, and wonderful stories from the tech world right here on Techverse.